Papa, okay, what is this now? Eh? What is all this now?
What is what, Mabel? What is it again?
Why won't you tell all these you useless women to call you when you are alone? Must you keep me standing here all day just to answer their calls? Eh? I don't want to phone.
Mabel, at this very point in time, at this very stage, you're still angry over phone calls.
Why won't I be angry? Eh? Why won't I be angry? Haven't I suffered enough in the hands of women? Haven't I?
Pastor Mike's wife has suddenly turned to side chick or whatever you call them.
I do not trust any woman again. Besides, how am I supposed to know that it was Pastor Mike's wife you were talking with over the phone? How am I supposed to know? I have suffered and I will not suffer again with any woman.
Mabel, it's because you choose to suffer. You choose to suffer. I mean, I relate well with everyone out there, both male and female. Yes.
I chose to suffer. Out of 10 phone calls, 9 are women. What are you doing with them? I'm asking you. What?
Mabel, I'm only relating well with them. Mabel, there is no crime in being a likable man. Okay?
Story. So it is me now that is not a likable woman. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Take me out of
Mabel,
here.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Okay?
Emmanuel, take me out of here.
Please, work on your attitude.
So what happened? Honey, listen, oh my God, you know I can't lie to you. Come.
So what happened? Okay. You kept the kids and I worried.
Okay, this is what happened. Oh my God, thank you. Okay,
you okay now?
I'm fine, I'm good. I am good. Okay, honey, let me tell you what happened.
You went out with Chidi, came back and refused to talk to anyone for 3 good days. You kept the kids and I mute and traumatized. You have lots of explanation to make.
I know. Okay, this is what happened. Okay, Chidi took me to one man of God, okay? Outskirts of town. Now this man is so powerful, I tell you. He prayed for me, and later the man said, I have to pray and not even utter a word while praying. And while I'm at it, I shouldn't talk to anybody for 3 days. 3 days. You see? So I couldn't talk to you. That's what happened.
But you should have told me. Maybe I would have joined.
Maybe it was something I had to do by myself. I'm sorry.
How do you feel? So are you okay now?
I am good.
No nightmares, no hallucination, no bad dreams, no nothing.
Nothing will happen ever again.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Jesus. I told you there's fine.
I know. I'm talking. I feel good. Let's go. Come here.
What?
Let's go.
Stop.
Let's go. No. 3 days. I got to celebrate this.
I don't know what you're talking
about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I missed my way. I'm looking for direction to Chioma Street.
Chioma Street?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know what you will do? Just walk down the street.
Okay.
Take the street by your left. Can't fall pole from the left. the next building by the right.
Alright.
I think that was the place.
Thanks.
Okay? All right.
What is going on here? Who are you? What do you want from my husband?
I'm sorry, ma. I missed my way. I'm just asking for direction.
Will you shut up? What direction? Eh? From direction now, you will ask for his phone number. From phone number, you will end up in the hotel. From hotel, you want to come back home and well, it will not work. I will not take this, Emmanuel. I will not.
Mabel, will you stop all this rubbish? What is the meaning of all this? Why are you embarrassing this poor girl?
What is a poor girl? This one. 1 week of knowing you now, she will turn to a rich girl. I will not be the one suffering at home, managing. Emmanuel, give me money. I don't have. Emmanuel, let me go. I don't have. This will not work. Oh. Enter this car. Let's go. Let's go.
Stop it!
Come on. Emmanuel, you touched her. Open this door.
The door is open.
You touched her. Emmanuel, you touched her.
Mabel, what has come over you these days? Imagine the way you just embarrassed me before that little girl.
Emmanuel, so you had the guts to touch a girl before me? Eh? You touched that girl before me. There is no problem. Oh. There is no problem. You would have followed her home. Follow her home and go and pet her. Mr. Direction. Direction.
Mabel, can you please stop this madness? Stop all this nonsense. Imagine the way you disgrace yourself before that little girl. Mabel, what has come over you? Why are you so insecure? What is your problem?
Who is a little girl? I ask you again. That Agadi one that I saw. A little girl. That is what you men say. Now she is a little girl. Tomorrow she will become mommy on you, on top of your bed.
I will not want you again.
You will not want me again. Keep disgracing yourself. You will stop and touch another girl.
Okay, no problem.
Take me home, Biko.
Oh, we are going home already.
Take me home.
We are going home already.
Ogachi, the way you are treating your wife, Onome, is not good. Eh? As a fellow woman, I know what it means for a woman to be treated like a rag, just the way you are treating her. Next thing now you will say, she is too fat, she is shapeless, she is too big. What is wrong in somebody being fat? Eh? What is wrong in somebody being fat? Must everybody be slim? Must everybody be an abani? Okay, you forgot that being fat is even an attribute of an African woman, a true African woman. Let me also remind you that her fatness is as a result of the childbearing. 4 children. Is it a joke? Look, I don't like it though. From today, stop it. Stop treating her like a rag. She's not a rag. Ogene?
Really?
Yes.
Madam Mabel, let me ask you, is it Onome that sent you to tell me this, or you're acting on your own?
Does it matter who sent me? Eh? It doesn't matter. The most important thing is that I have come to warn you. Stop treating Onome like a rag. Eh? You're cheating on her and it's not good. Stop cheating on your wife. What is this?
Anyway, for the records, Madam Mabel, I am not cheating on my wife.
Liar! You can lie for Africa. Look at you. Your story is everywhere in town. You are lying and you know it. Stop cheating on her because...
Anyway, what do you even mean by cheating?
Chimo, what kind of question is that? Okay, you don't know the meaning of cheating.
No, I don't.
I will define cheating for you.
Go ahead.
Cheating is a process by which a married man leaves his beloved wife at home and picks all these small pinchomi girls in town and be parabolating and gallivanting all over. The Riego family. That is what cheating is all about. I have explained it, oh. Yes.
Wonderful. According to Advanced Learners Dictionary, eh? What you're saying by implication is that a man having 1 or 2 girlfriends out there, or a few side chicks, is what you call cheating.
Yes, that That is cheating. Very simple definition.
Really?
Yes.
No, it is not cheating.
Then what is it?
It is what it is. Yes, it is exactly what it is. Not cheating. Who even defined cheating? I am asking you, who defined cheating? Who defined this word cheating?
I am asking you question and you are using question to reply me the question.
Because you did not understand. Let me explain to you, Madam Mabel. Madam, I too know. My father married 5 wives. 5. 4 wives after my mother.
Chimo.
So, are you saying that my father was cheating on my mother? Are you following me now? Or would you prefer that I marry 4 more wives to join to Onome? Which one do you prefer?
Chidi, you're a very bad man. You are wicked.
Story.
You are heartless.
What the story? For telling you the truth, eh? Please. Please.
Stop cheating on your wife, oh. Be faithful to your wife, oh. Ha!
Story.
Hey. What? Sabina, you be waiting. What's your useless name?
I'm Sandra.
You are Sandra. Sandra. So now you dey follow me track husband.
Madam, mind you,
Quick, quiet,
I do not
talk.
have any business with you.
Eh.
I do not have any business with you.
Forget say your eye dey shine like pussy cast. You dey shine like pussy cast. I don't know fear you.
Is it my fault you can't take care of your home? Is it my fault?
Okay, now you get home to take care of. So as I be like this now, you don't fear me.
Respect yourself.
For size, me and you na
respect
mates.
yourself, madam.
For size, me and you na mates.
Madam, respect
Come here, you be small pikin. I go play you like
I
sister.
said I'm respecting you.
Keep quiet.
Respect yourself. Madam,
Don't worry.
respect yourself.
Now we got
I'm
here. Me and the
respecting
grace.
you now. Respect
Me and the
yourself.
grace like
I do
you.
not have any business with you. I'll change it for you.
You dey shake
I'm
wetin?
just respecting
Because
you
you
now.
wear nine-
I said
nine
I'll
earrings.
change it for you.
Because
I'll change it for you.
You dey shake for me.
Give me back my ring.
Give you which week?
Give me back my ring.
You don't flex. Dikeh.
Madam, give me
You
back
don't know
my
me, oh.
You don't know me, oh.
You don't know me.
I'll change
Oni
it
wahala.
for you.
You don't know person.
Madam,
You don't know. Shatima, you sit there, sit there, talk.
Give
Hey,
me
you
back my
focus. What did I want you?
give me back my ring.
Because you color your
Leave me
hair.
alone, no. I don't have any business.
Keep quiet.
Yes, I don't have any business.
quiet.
Yes, I don't have any business. I don't have any business.
I mean,
Leave me alone, no.
I
Leave me
tell you,
alone, no. I don't have
kill
any
you.
business. I don't have any business. Madam, leave me alone.
Oh, yeah,
Leave me.
run.
Leave me.
Run the grass.
Leave me alone.
Run.
Give me my
Run,
Give
run,
me
run the
my-
grass.
Give me my
Keep pressing.
Mrs. Mabel, listen to me. If you are one of those who keep encouraging Onome to be getting fatter and fatter, then you are not a true friend.
Huh?
Yes. You are what is called frenemy. That is an enemy who disguises as a friend. That is what you are.
Me, Mabel, frenemy.
Number 1, that's what you are. Why can't you open your mouth and tell your friend, your so-called friend, the truth? The truth that she is eating herself to death, that she has blown up with food and drinks. She has blown up like a balloon with food and drinks. Cake comes, Onome will eat. Rice, she will consume. Fufu, 7 wraps. Beer, stout, wine. The same person, in the same stomach. And then she expects me to keep loving and caring for her the way I used to. Who does that?
You will do that, oh. Ogachid, you will do that.
Me?
Yes, because she is your wife. Remember that marriage is for better, for worse.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Even if it's leading me to death, eh? Okay, let me ask you. If I was a poor, wretched man, would Onome have married me? The answer is no. And assuming I suddenly get poor right now and begging for food, God forbid, that would not happen. But assuming it happens, would Onome still remain with me? The answer is no. So also, you will not expect me to keep loving and caring for Onome the way I used to, because things have changed. Yes.
Wait.
The same way she would have changed if I get poor. That's the way I'm changing. Yes.
Ogachid, wait, oh. I want to understand something.
Go ahead.
Are you trying to discard a woman who has beautiful children for you just because she is fat? Are you not being wicked?
You're getting it all wrong. You are getting it all wrong. I never said I was discarding Onome.
Okay.
Neither have I discarded her. Onome is my wife. She lives here with me. But the truth is that some things can no longer apply. That's just it. Okay, just imagine. Imagine for a moment that I want to be romantic and loving with my wife. And in the night, I want to carry her, my wife, from the sitting room onto the bedroom and place her on the bed. Just imagine me carrying Onome, carry her like this from the sitting room up the staircase, bam, 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 onto the bedroom. Won't I end up in the orthopedic hospital?
Does it matter where you end up? It doesn't matter.
Oh, really?
Even if you end up in orthopedic hospital, it's the same thing. Whatever you do with Onome, you are doing it out of love.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So even if I get crippled in the process, it is still it.
Cripple for love. It's the same thing.
Really?
If you begin to talk like this, I will see you as a very wicked man.
What a title, crippled for love. It's not me. That headline, that headline will not apply to me, please. You can go with it. I cannot get crippled because of anybody. So that you see the truth now. You want me to be crippled so that you know that I'm a gentleman. I am not that kind of gentleman. Gentleman, bakwaku. I not be gentleman at all.
Exactly. I was thinking you are a gentleman. That is why I drove all my way to come and talk to you. But it's obvious you are wicked and callous.
I'm an African man original. Yes. Go to your house. Please, let me warn you. I just tolerated all your ranting because of your relationship with my wife. I thought you had something meaningful to say. Please, let this be the first and last time you're coming here to say this kind of thing. It is insulting, but I will take it. That's why I took my time to explain my situation to you. I am a typical African man. Okay? Onome is happy. Leave us alone. We know how to sort ourselves out. Okay? You told me she did not send you. It is out of your own personal apropos, your own amebo, out of your personal ameborism that you came here. Please go back to your house. Go and take care of your own husband.
I only came to tell you to stop treating my friend like a rag because she's not a rag.
No problem.
I will take my leave.
Go back to your house. Let your husband be treating you
like a rag.
Like Queen Elizabeth.
I am going.
He's treating you like a queen. We know.
Stop treating Onome like a rag.
Sorry.
She is not a rag.
Your husband is treating you like a Queen Elizabeth. We have heard you. Don't jam my car, oh. Please, don't jam my car. Be careful. It's about mother.
If you really need to separate your husband from that womanizer before he infects him with womanizing. Remember what they say. Show me your friend and I will tell you who you are.
Mabel, Mr. Chidi and my husband been friends for a very long time, even before he got married to me. Okay, he's an architect and they collaborate in a lot of businesses. I can't possibly separate them.
Architect. Architect, women architect. That is what he is.
Mabel, they are friends but have different lifestyles.
You can't tell, oh. You cannot tell. You know this saying that when you stay with evil people, you will end up becoming evil. Separate them now before it is too late, oh.
I can't separate them. Yes, it's not within my powers, I mean.
You can't. You can.
How?
Use your woman power and separate them. Separate them. You have woman power.
Okay, no problems. I'll use my woman power, my bedroom power and separate them. I'll try. But I want to tell you something. We're having Thanksgiving get-together.
Thanksgiving get-together?
Yes.
What happened?
My husband suffered acute typhoid and malaria. But to the glory of God, he's fine now. So want to thank God, want to just have small party with family and friends.
Thank God that he didn't die. Malaria and typhoid, very bad sickness. It's well.
So you are invited.
Yeah. I will come now. I I will even buy purge medicine on my way home so that I will free my system. As this space to download enough.
Mabel, why would you want to do that? See, let me explain to you. You know things are very tough right now, okay? We're not having elaborate parties, just small get-together with few families and friends.
Ify.
Stop.
See, anybody that has the mind to do Thanksgiving for malaria and typhoid should also keep some money for chicken and rice, fried rice.
I never said there will be no rice or chicken. In fact, I have to run along. Let me go get my kids from school. Bye.
Take care, oh. That's why I'm about chicken. Chicken whatever. Hey, I want chicken and rice. I will buy oven. Oh, very important. Ify, what happened? We did not see you at the committee meeting yesterday. Hope all is well.
My dear, I'm so sorry about that. I had a very busy day. I was held up in traffic for too long.
Hey, whoa, so sorry. We tried your number several times. We called and called and called. But they were saying unreachable.
Don't mind those people. It's network problem. I later called the chairman to explain to him.
My dear, you missed. The meeting yesterday was so interesting. Yes, so do you know that Regina is a big 419 woman?
Regina? I don't understand. How do you mean?
The Regina, you know, our treasurer. She's a thief.
How?
She used our money to do money doubling. And they duped her.
Jesus, scammers everywhere.
She came and was telling us cock and bull story in the meeting. How she used the money to cure her brother of madness.
Oh my God.
That was what she said though. That her brother ran mad. He did this Yahoo Plus. And the thing backfired on him. And he ran mad. They said he was driving along the road and suddenly came down on the express. He started shouting and confessing. Started removing his clothes. Before people could gather and help him, John Thomas was already outside. John Thomas never touched him.
Mabel, this is not funny. I feel for him.
My sister, it's not funny, but we cannot come and kill ourselves. You know these young boys of get rich today, die tomorrow. Biko, let me ask you something important. How is your husband?
He's fine. He's in the office.
You see, your husband is at work. My own is lying down inside here, sleeping and snoring. He goes to office just 2 times in a week. Is it fair?
But he's still not doing badly.
He's doing well because he has me. One day, for him alone, all these girls will finish his business money. He will go bankrupt.
Thank God he has you.
Ify, let it not be as if I did not tell you. One day I will kill somebody. I will strangle one of these his chummy girls that he's running after. I will kill them with my bare hands. You will hear the story,
Mabel, please. All men are the same. Please don't kill anyone. If you kill someone, you will definitely go to jail for murder.
Men are not the same. All men are not the same. My own husband is the chairman of all the womanizers. Bring them all. He is the chairman, the number 1. But let him not worry. One day, monkey go market, he no go return. I will kill one of these girls. I will kill somebody. Don't say I did not say it.
You will go to jail for murder or don't.
You married a good husband. Just leave my useless husband. I will handle him. I know how to handle him. Oh, don't worry yourself.
My darling, just take care of yourself, okay?
I will speak with you later. My mood is already changing. Oh, bye-bye.
Bye.
Onome, do you know that your husband is a very useless man? He's very stupid. He has answers to every question. As if he's a woman.
That's very good. At least you have seen what I've been seeing all these years. I've been suffering all these years.
You've really suffered though. But from the way your your husband answered me. I think you need to fight this battle yourself because I don't want anybody to insult me. No, not me, not Mabel. He cannot insult me anymore just because I'm trying to help a friend. No, you have to fight this battle yourself, please.
Remy. You say I should come and fight the battle. Eh? I should come and fight battle. So I should come and chew battle as now. I should come and chew it in my mouth, the battle as. Or I should carry my husband on my head like Osuka. Eh? How do I fight the battle?
Very simple. Remember you once told me that you will give him war. You will fight.
Yeah, what?
Hey, confront your husband. Were you not the one that told me once that you will give him war? War! Then this is the right time to give him war. Yes. Left for me, that is if you will listen to advice. I think you should leave all these small girls you've been calling, threatening, warning over the phone and all that. Leave them alone. They are not your problem. The real problem here is your husband. Confront him. He's the devil itself. I am telling you. See, Mama, Mabel, I don't give my husband a chance. Wherever he goes, I go. Men are like children, and you need to treat them as such. I'm telling you.
Mabel.
Mabel.
Mabel. Remy. So wherever your husband goes, you goes.
Yes, sir.
If he goes, you goes.
I goes.
Hey, you see my own kind of husband. If he's going out, miss no. I don't used to know. When he want to come out like a rat, you will see him jumping out. I will not be seeing him. I'm asleep. Before we come back now, like a mosquito, I'm asleep.
Amame. You are even the cause of your problem. Yes, you're not helping matter at all.
What do you want to do?
You have resorted.
Continue.
Yeah, no, man.
I'm hearing you. You cost me your language, Abby.
How can I curse my own friend?
You cost me.
I am not cursing you. I am telling you that you need to help yourself. How can you spend all your time and day eating, drinking, watching TV, sleeping? Don't you know the more you do that, you get fatter and fatter and fatter? If you continue like this, with the way your husband answered me, the man I saw is willing to bring in sweet 16 into this house any minute.
Oh, Tobe. War. I will declare war.
Give him war.
You see me now that the kind of anger I have. It's loading. You see me now shaking my leg. Anytime you see me shaking my leg, just know that I want to kill somebody. I will chop somebody's ear, yes. I will shook hand in his throat. Hey. In my all kind of matrimonial homes. Hey, another girl. Wow.
Onome, you have to fight your husband. Fight this battle yourself. You can beat him up with one hand, strangle him. You need to also help yourself. When you wake up in the morning, don't even drink water. Do some exercise. This compound is big enough now. Run around this compound like 100 times in the morning. In the afternoon, you will run 100 times. In the evening, you will come out again and run 100 times. That's 300 times in a day. If you do that, you will just slim like a bunny overnight. Run up and down.
Who is pursuing me?
Pursue yourself. You don't need anybody to pursue you. Just be running around and pursuing yourself.
I'll be randa. When nobody now is pursuing me.
Pursue yourself.
Remy.
Help yourself.
Your head is sour.
Wait, let me show you.
I should be running when nobody is pursuing me.
Let me show you what I need.
I don't understand.
Stand up.
You see that I want to run, you will run your run first now.
Oh no, man, stand up. Keep this thing. Help your destiny. Believe that.
Wedding mommy, give me this thing.
Stand up, John. Help your marriage.
Oh yeah, carry me up.
Help your marriage.
The wicked landlord did not give me any notice.
Okay.
Nothing at all. He just went to one Jankra court. I
I came back on Monday.
Wait, hold on. What did you just call
It's a Jankra court. Which court can grant such an order?
You may proceed.
I came back on Monday. What did I see?
Yes.
Court judgment.
Okay. Court's judgment.
I'm telling you.
Give you court's judgment. And then what?
Mr. Nobel, are you okay?
Yeah. I'm fine. So you were saying he gave you a court order, right?
No. Nothing at all.
Yeah.
He didn't give me any notice.
Okay.
The worst of it now is that he started throwing my properties out.
He started throwing your property out.
Mr. Edo, what's wrong with you? Mr. Ben, are you okay? Secretary! Hey! Secretary, can someone help me, please? Hey! Mr. Lupe!
Pick up.
Hello, Mabel.
Hello, Ify. I've been calling you since now. You're not picking.
I'm sorry. I was busy with something.
Ify. Eh? I was even thinking you and your husband were busy in the bedroom this hot afternoon.
I was busy with something.
Don't mind me. I was just joking with you. My dear, I was calling you to inform you that I'll be coming for your Thanksgiving with my very good friend. She came down from abroad. Yes, Germany to be precise. She likes staying in my house each time she's around, though, and she will want me to take her around the town for sightseeing. At my own cost. You know these abroad people, very stingy. Bring dollar, let's change. But she will want to test and eat everything on the road. My dear, I just said I should inform you that I'll be coming with her for the Thanksgiving. Hey, that's why I was calling.
Mabel, the Thanksgiving won't hold again.
No. Why? What happened? I've already told her we are going for a Thanksgiving ceremony.
I understand and I'm so sorry for the inconveniences. The thing is, my husband got a call to be in Abuja on the same day, so we decided to postpone it. I was even about sending bulk SMS to everyone before your call came in. Okay, so when we fix the new date, I'll let you know.
It's okay. There is no problem. I will just bring her so that we will say hi to you. I don't connect them. Yes.
All right, no problems. You can.
Ngwana. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Bye.
This Ify and her husband, they are very stingy. They behave like Obanje people. How can they just fix a Thanksgiving service? And I was happy. Now, going to eat chicken and fried rice. You know, rice occasion, suddenly they cancelled it. Nonsense and ingredients. Nonsense people. Anyway, we'll still go to her house.
Ada, what is it? Why is your face like that? Come to mommy. What is it, my baby? What is it again?
I heard when you were telling your friend that the Thanksgiving party has been cancelled. Why do you have to cancel it?
Is that why you're crying? Listen, it's been cancelled because Daddy got a call to be in Abuja on the same day we're supposed to have Thanksgiving party. We're going to postpone it and reschedule when it's convenient for your dad. Don't you want to go for vacation? Don't you want to go for summer? Don't you want to go to London? Do you want to go to America? Yeah, but Daddy needs to make money. Okay? So you don't have to get yourself worked up, okay? We're still going to have our Thanksgiving party. Just that the date needs to change. It has to change. So that Daddy can go to Abuja and make money for Ada and Junior and Mommy. Yeah, smile for me. I love you, baby. Honey?
Yes?
There's this man of God I want us to meet.
Man of God?
Yes.
What's special about him?
His name is Pastor John, and he's a very powerful man of God. He said he can deliver you of your problem.
Wait, Ifoma. Wait. Why would you go before a man of God and tell him our private problems? Why would you go for everyone, for the whole world to hear nonsense?
Honey, calm down. I didn't do that.
No, you're lying.
I've never lied to you.
No, that's a big fat lie. You know you're lying right now.
You know I've never lied to you.
No, you're lying right now.
No, I didn't lie. He said he saw it in a vision.
What vision? What vision? What are you talking about? These 419 churches, don't you know they have informants? He saw what?
My darling, it's worth trying.
What? There's nothing worth...
This is becoming unbearable.
Listen, there's nothing worth trying. Don't tell me that it's not worth trying, please. What do you want me to do? Go before some gullible congregation and disgrace myself out there so they will be witnesses to my case of what? Insanity?
Baby, is it not better you disgrace yourself in the house of God than to disgrace yourself in public?
Ifoma, when you're ready to sleep, put off the lights.
Oh, baby, please don't say. Listen,
I said good night.
That Okeke's wife died. I heard it. What is really going on?
I don't know. The rate at which people are dying is just incredible.
Things are hard these days.
Nah, the economy is bad. It is really bad. Oh, what's going on, man?
Close to my house.
We'll see you tomorrow.
No problem.
This could be so painful. We love someone, yet they are ungrateful.
Mama!
Nah! Hey! Nah!
Mama!
Mama! Hey! Nana!
Mama!
You're back!
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
I left the city early hours today. Here I am.
Hey, Nana, what came with some man? Onye ki natazi moto.
Owoko ya inata moto. Oloma chuku. This is my car.
Your car?
Oloma.
Hey! Jesus! Your own.
Oloma chuku.
Chineke!
Oloma chuku. Oloma chuku. Mama.
Orobatano!
Abatago. Oloma chuku.
Hi! God, am I worthy? Am I worthy to have such a gift back inside my compound?
I hope you enjoyed the food.
Yes, Mama. Thank you so much. Emeka.
It's a word, now, something I want to discuss with you. Emma, now that God has blessed you,
Okay. My girl, if you want, talking about getting married. I mean, look, you're my only son. You need to find a wife and settle down and have your children. I mean, that would be good for everyone. Yes.
Mama. I'm not here to get them. I know that you have something you want to tell me.
Yeah.
Well, I understand. But there are a few things I would want to put in place before thinking about marriage.
Put in place things like what?
Mama, can't you see? I want to finish that house for you. And not just that. I plan putting up a big edifice here. I will come architect go say, you will like it, Mama. I told him. And maybe after that, I will think about marriage. Or even before that, I can get married. Come on, my wife and I will come in and finish it. But let me finish this your own first. Can I move go there back?
Is this not a house? Mama.
This house that you and your husband built many years ago. Mama nego the height, nego the door.
Money ne pure babu.
Okay, we take need those stress. I need to finish this. Let me build a very. You will like it. I finish it now. You will like it. I want to finish that house so that we'll move there. Then from there, we'll think about this big mansion. If you want me to get married first, no wahala. But this one, let's finish it first, Mama. Be cool. Huh?
Listen, you don't have to have everything before you get married. Then we can be talking about all these ones now.
I know. It's okay, Mama. I've heard you. I promise you, it will not take time. In no distant time, I will sort that out. Yes.
In that case, now I can start looking for a wife for you. I would look within our village. I wouldn't want you to go and bring in those city girls into this house. Mama.
How? At my age, you want to bring in a girl for me?
Can't be your age. It's an unfit and yours on. Hey, or come on, picture me, feature ye, Nasim at your age. Hey, big papa.
Mama. You win. Go ahead and get someone. But you should know that your boy is no longer a village boy. Your son. I am no longer a village boy.
Everybody comes from one village or the other.
It's okay. Get one. Let me audition. Let me take this inside.
Oh, that was so. Hi, is it woman?
Mama. Take a chocolate. Oh, yeah, well, I have.
Oh, that one will get you. Yeah, not for when. Oh, give me a name. Melissa, who want it? That was young guy. Oh, hey, man, young one, just who? I talk of more now. Oh, wow. Oh, that's the one here. What you go? You've done well. Everywhere is clean.
Yes, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
There's one more thing that you owe me.
What is it, Mama?
That song that makes me happy.
Okay, Mama. Since you want the song, I'll sing it for you.
Go ahead.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Chimaro bimo, Chioma.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Okwa gimere mi hembota.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Ya boy agi kambu no bi.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Mne huragi kamuna po.
Chioma me. Come on, that is a nana. Hey, Nani. May gate ya akụkwapụ ka m na-abata. Na, no. All right. Back in there. Now.
Mama.
Namo. Nanie.
Mama.
Nanie.
Mama.
Ow. What get you go? Oh. I know Fabian no. Come and greet brother now. Oh, Neka. She comes to help me once in a while. One, I go put you. Go after that song. Sing it, let him hear.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Chimaro bimo, Chioma.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Wagi mere mi embota.
Chioma me, Chioma.
Chioma me.
Chioma me, Chioma. Enna.
Let's get this thing out here.
Hey, Ibujwe.
Yes.
Ibujwe. Hey! Neka! Ya fu mi fanya mnafu. Netinye maka ke bukuta akpara isa. O menkwa mbusu.
Mama weli anwayo.
Wayo.
Yes, Mama. The girl is beautiful.
I told you.
But she's not educated. Oh yes, and you know, we city boys, we want educated ladies to fit into our status. You know that, Mama.
Who told you she's not educated? The girl has finished primary education and has entered college. Besides, she's young enough to start off any school that you want her to end up in. So
no wahala. No wahala. When next I come, we'll start the marriage process.
When next, Kwa? Let's start it immediately now. You're here. What else? Give her a chance.
Mama, I told you I came to see my contractor, the engineer that will fix my mansion here. Mama, I like you so I can swear plan. Please, we need to start this building project very soon. So we want to discuss. Let me foot the bills for the materials. Can go to ife now. Can wole gaba no. Kema no dogu kemo. Mama, I want to make you proud. Yes. The past years that you've been in pains, the tears, everything you've been through, Mama, I want to wipe it out. I want to make you happy. I want you to enjoy. Enjoy it. I'll make you proud.
Thank you.
Make you proud. Do not worry. Do not worry, Mama. Do not worry. I'll make you proud. You know, we're going so good. The lady, by August, our New Yam Festival, we see I'm small. I'll check in there. Okay, man, got to down. Can fix the marriage then. Can wear her film can have the bride price is small now, man. Otona has to try physical, more her physical. I try a wire. So wire.
Mommy, I'm all come a wire. Come on, live with the money where
wire. Oh, just physical.
And it's what POS, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, don't
Mama, Nana no longer picks my call. I don't know what offense I've committed. He told me to come and spend the weekend with him in Lagos. But I told him it's not yet time. I don't know if that's why he's angry.
No, Makakwa, you can't go to Lagos. He's a man. Stop crying, it's okay. You know these men that live in the city. Once they get to the city, they get carried away. But once they're back home, they face reality. You got to go. So stop crying. That one is not a problem.
Mama, please help me talk to him, mother to son. People already calling me Nana's wife, and if it doesn't work out, they are going to laugh at me.
That is what you are. Nana's wife. Nana Yanogi. You know, go. But do not worry. I have heard you.
Thank you, Mama.
You know, Nana and I are very close. Anytime I advise he listens, I will talk to him on your behalf. Oh, Munyani Kib. Munyanna.
Yes, Mama.
Munyanna.
Mama.
Timuliano Bella Mono. Oh, Mama, do not worry. But the man Jabba City Macanana, what I hear. That's one answer. Okay, go for Lena. How are you?
I'm fine.
I wanted to ask. Nneka has not been coming to my house to help me lately. Odekwama, I hope all is well.
All is not well. Your son rejected my daughter, and she doesn't want to reject herself. What your son did is not good. After giving my daughter hope, he dumped her, and you didn't do anything about it.
You know children of nowadays, they have a mind of their own. Nam, I called my son. I tried to convince him to marry your daughter, Ogia Kwamunti. And how can you be saying that I'm a carer? Am I not the one that recommended the Nneka for my son? Eh?
That's the one. Because I'm surprised.
I am still working on it though. Chupu mabel, everything will work out fine. But where is Nneka?
She won't even accept him again. She has gone to the city to stay with her sister. And she also wants to go to university. She said it's because of her lack of education that made your son reject her. So she wants to see to the end of it.
That's okay. Well, I have tried my best, but anytime you see her, Biko, greet her for me. Oh?
I will.
And Biko, Vero. Let us not say because our children didn't get married or they are not talking to each other or whatever, stop being friends. Well, we lead by example. I hope it won't spoil our relationship.
So what? Okay. I'm not going to miss you.
One name.
This could be so painful when you love someone, yet they are ungrateful. Looking for more. Do not let your smiles deceive you just because of love. Cause the heart of man is evil. So true for man. Please don't cry for me. How could it's really touching me. Oh, my spirit, no one soul. If only metal or Jerusalem. Cry for me. I'm waiting, it's really touching me. Oh, mama, spirit, no one soul. If only the battle of Jesus, oh, mama, please don't cry for me.
No grandchild. God, why? Maybe if I'd persuaded him to marry her, he wouldn't have died. Maybe, just maybe.
ife onye metalụ ochiri isi ya wee bụ nwachuba afa ka fara gbuo gị etukawa ofu anya ndị afọ ụzọ obi ajụrụ enweghị m onye ọzọ.
I mean, imagine in the middle of myself and, the action that day. I mean, he appeared and started jeering at me. I had to run out of the place.
Why did you have to run about mere imagination? You should have stood your ground, rebuked that idiot, and he would disappear.
What are you saying?
Look, it's all in your mind. He did not appear physically, it was in your mind.
Only
you should have just enjoyed yourself.
Enjoyed myself?
No, you said...
Please, don't say this, please. What are you talking about? You don't understand how this thing happens. It's easier said than done. See, when this thing happens, it takes over my whole nervous system, everything. Easier said than done. Listen, this thing is just like asking somebody who has phobia for heights to look down when he's at the top of a skyscraper.
Please, don't go there. I have height phobia. Even me talking about it now, I'm feeling very, very uncomfortable. Wow.
So it's just not easy at all.
This is very serious, very serious. So what do we do? This is affecting business. We're supposed to go inspect some properties at Ego Estate. Now the whole thing is hanging. What do we do?
Chidi, I am not going anywhere again. Until this problem is solved, I'm not going anywhere. People are beginning to think I'm mad. No. That public disgrace, I don't need it again. Let me find a solution to this thing first of all.
For how long now? For how long? So what will be happening? What about business? What about family? How do you maintain your status? And they will...
Honey?
Madam.
Uncle Chidi.
Yeah, thank you for the small cola. Thank you.
I'm off to go get the kids from the school.
It's all right.
So I'll be back in a jiffy.
It's okay.
Darling. All right, I'll be back soon.
Okay. Such a strong and loyal and understanding woman. Unlike the uncoordinated one I have in my house who goes about whining and whimpering to every Tom and Dick. Every little thing that happens, she goes outside. He's doing this. He's a womanizer. Chidi, boy, I'm going through things.
Your wife has called me 2 times this week complaining about you.
But I did what?
You know what you have been doing now?
Nah, leave that matter. It is the same thing I'm talking about. She's been influenced by that loudmouth, Mabel. Yes, she's using my wife to practice women liberation and feminism. And my wife is falling for that nonsense.
You just have to talk to your wife, okay? Tell her of the collateral damage this is causing herself, her family, you in particular. I mean, everything around her, you have to tell her.
My brother, how many times? 1,000 times I have talked to my wife about this matter. But you know what? No matter what you do, she goes back to her pity party. She wants to be pitied. Oh, this man is maltreating you. Oh, he's a womanizer. That's just what she wants to hear. And Mabel and Co are giving it to her. No problem, let her continue. Maybe you really want to go and talk to her.
Well, who am I to talk?
Do you know that she goes out there to fight? Fight, girls.
Fight?
Physical fighting.
At this level?
Hey boy, I'm going through things. You don't know what I'm going through. I'm telling you. Esim Noko. That is Esim Noko. I'm telling you. I'm just packaging this whole thing. This is the mother of my children, so what can I do?
Everybody has his own problem, but try and solve yours, please.
Don't compare this with your own. Yours is a temporary thing.
Yours is physical, my own is spiritual. What are you saying?
We'll solve it now. There are so many spiritual solutions to all these things. Don't worry. You can't compare. My own is for better, for worse. What can I do now?
Ruben, look at what you've done. Look at what you've done. Ruben, look at, just take a good look at the bedroom TV. Look at what you've done. Are you proud of it? No, I need to know. Are you proud of what you've done right now? What is this supposed to be? What am I supposed to call this? Are you hallucinating or something? What is really going on? You need to explain to me what is going on in this house. You're literally going insane.
Honey, wait.
But what?
What's the TV doing?